SRM Group of Institutions is a pioneer with over 5 decades of experience when it comes to education in India. SRM Group has over 4 universities and 24 other institutes across India, and today we are standing at the Sonipat campus जहां हम बिताएंगे पूरा एक दिन, बात करेंगे बहुत सारे students से, and we'll be talking to a lot of faculty members as well. And by the end of this video, you will be knowing everything about SRM Sonipat Haryana campus. Welcome back to College Dunia, and today we are at SRM Sonipat campus. Now let's go inside, see the whole campus. Right now we are standing in front of the hotel management department at SRM. Come, let's see. Let's meet the students. Let's meet the faculty as well. Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
What's your name, ma'am? Please, थोड़ा सा अपना introduction दीजिए कैमरा के लिए.
My name is Sanskriti Singh. I am the faculty of Hotel Management Department and handling the front office department of the hotel management.
Perfect. मिस संस्कृति आज हमें पूरा होटल मैनेजमेंट का डिपार्टमेंट दिखाएंगी, बताएंगी यहाँ पे क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो भी होटल मैनेजमेंट परस्यू करने वाला होता है. Okay, so we have a couple of students here. We have Ankush and Shweta with us जो इस वक्त होटल मैनेजमेंट परस्यू कर रहे हो. You are in second year. अच्छा, पिछले 2 साल कैसे गए थे? कुछ दिक्कतें हैं SRM से कि it's all going good?
It's all going good.
चलो बढ़िया. Now let's go inside the hotel management department and let's see whatever is there. Right?
Now we will be visiting the other hotel management departmental labs and we will be talking about those labs and basically the food production department.
Okay, so this is the classroom. So let's say if I have to join hotel management, so what are the options of programs that I can do?
If you want to join the hotel management, then you can join 2 programs. We are having 2 programs.
Okay.
If you want to do the hotel management from the government affiliated course, then you can join the BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration.
Achha,
If you want to pursue from the UGC, then we are having another course, BSc in Hotel Management and Catering Technology.
Okay. Achha. What is the tuition cost for both these programs?
Tuition cost is 75,000.
75,000
Per year.
per year. डिग्री मिल गई फिर उसके बाद में क्या करना?
You will get a better placement opportunities because as compared to the BTech and other courses, hotel management is a versatile course. Means you can go in the airlines also, you can go in the catering industry also, you can go in the hotels also.
What are the placement numbers going on for
Placement numbers, it's 100% placement. Our students got placed in the number 1 hotels. Like you can see on the board also, our students got placed in Oberoi, Taj, ITC.
अच्छा, nice. Okay, classroom तो देख लिया. अब next आप क्या दिखा रहे हो?
Next हम देखते हैं rooms because rooms are the important part of the hotel.
Mock rooms.
Mock rooms.
Okay, let's go inside. Oh, interesting. So mock room के हिसाब से these guys have set up a whole room where of course students को अपनी training मिल सकती है for their day-to-day activities. Let's say if they are working in a hotel or something. Okay, mock room तो देख लिया हमने. Right now, where are we going?
We are going to a restaurant.
Oh, okay. This is fancy. Very nice. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Swapnil. Hello everyone. Pretty fancy reception, right? Okay, let's straight away talk to the students and उन्हीं से बात करते हैं कि वो exactly restaurant and bar में करते क्या है. Hi ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Gargi sir.
Hi Gargi. Restaurant and bar में day-to-day basis पे आप and other students आपके जैसे क्या कर रहे हो तो आप?
Sir, here Mr. Prakash Pandey sir is our assistant professor. He teaches us how to attend the guests, how to treat them, how to serve them the food.
Hi sir. How are you? अपने restaurant and bar के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Basically, this is F&B service department, food and beverage service department. This is responsible for serving food and beverage to the guest. And here, what we teach our students that how to lay the cover of different kinds of restaurant, like fine dine restaurant or casual dining restaurant. And we also teach them how to serve the food formally to a guest. And including that, we have a bar portion also. Students learn about alcoholic beverages and how to make mocktail, cocktail, everything.
Okay, ये था restaurant and bar. And now I guess मैम को हमें kitchen भी दिखाना है. So let's go see the kitchen. Hello, hi guys, hi, what's up? My name is Swapnil. There is the camera. Say hi to the camera first. Say hi to the camera, please. Okay. आपका kitchen तो काफ़ी बढ़िया, काफ़ी fancy, very hygienic as well. कुछ आप अपने kitchen के बारे में बता सकते हैं? What are students doing here? आप उनको क्या सिखाते हो exactly? And how are you teaching?
This is basic training kitchen. इसमें अंदर जो those are in first year, so they are freshers, so they are doing basic preparation like so they are making stock also.
This kitchen by far has got the most detailed equipment, very hygienic environment as well. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया होटल मैनेजमेंट के बारे में. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. We have to cover the whole campus as well. Okay, hotel management exit करते ही we are gonna now see Center for Drug Design, Discovery and Development. Let's see whatever holds for us there, and let's go inside. Hi sir,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. How
What's your name, sir?
My name is Shyam Tripathi. I'm research scholar here. Basically, this is a Center for Drug Design, Discovery and Development. Here we have 5 labs. Like,
आप मुझे कुछ lab
yes,
दिखाओगे?
yes, sure. Please.
Let's go.
So this is our molecular biology lab. And hello guys.
There are students already.
Yes. This is the second lab. As I shown in from you from the first lab, you can see from here because we cannot enter like that because here we work on infectious diseases. So I don't want to trouble you guys. Everything is there. Like you can see the laminator road area. I was saying high efficiency particulate and metal filter is there. This is updated BSL2 lab. This is the cell culture lab. And here we grow the cancerous cell lines if you are willing to work on cancers. So this lab is the full place area for the cancer research. As you can see here also we have the storage cabinet. This is for the fungus. This is for mycology lab. Here we grow the fungus. Like आपने सुना होगा लोगों को दांत खाज खुजली हो जाती है. Basically that is for the some candida.
Any fungal
species.
infection.
Yes. So here we develop some drugs for the fungus. This is also fully equipped. If you can focus from here, you can see everything is there.
Hi man, what's up? What's your name?
I'm Krish Sharaf. I'm from biomedical department second.
Okay, second year से हो आप बायोमेडिकल. अभी हम कहाँ खड़े हुए हैं? Looks like a hospital.
या एक्चुअली ये हमारा हॉस्पिटल है. ये हॉस्पिटल का ब्लॉक है. हमारी लैब्स भी हैं यहाँ पे. So this is like the hospital. हम यहाँ पे 2013 से यहाँ पे फंक्शनल हॉस्पिटल.
Okay. I think one important point that was missed was this is a charitable hospital. ये of course SRM students के लिए तो accessible है ही. बट आसपास के जो छोटे मोटे गांव हैं वहाँ के लोग भी यहाँ आ सकते हैं, अपना इलाज करा सकते हैं एंड एवरीथिंग इज फॉर चार्ज.
This is the lab for biotechnology. And our biomed lab is there.
ओके,
This is the bioinstrumentation lab.
अच्छा, ओके. आई थिंक लेट्स गो इनसाइड. हाय, हेलो मैम. हाय, माय नेम इज स्वप्निल. व्हाट इज योर नेम?
I'm Dr. Poonam from the Biomedical Engineering Department, and this is our instrumentation lab, and
Okay.
we are giving the practical knowledge to the students
Okay.
who are from BTech, pursuing BTech in Biomedical Engineering.
ओके मैम, आई वांट टू आस्क, एक मेरी डिग्री हो गई खत्म, उसके बाद क्या प्लेसमेंट्स का कुछ स्कोप है?
So we are already giving the short-term training to our students. After the end of their 7th semester, they are having the 6-month internship program,
अच्छा.
and this we are sending students.
वो इंटर्नशिप आप लोग खुद लगवा के देते हो या स्टूडेंट को खुद से फाइंड करते हो?
No, we are sending the
आप लोग ही
students.
लगवा
We are having that.
Okay. लास्ट ईयर के कुछ नंबर्स आप बता पाओगे? हाईएस्ट पैकेज कितना था, मीडियम पैकेज कितना था, लोएस्ट पैकेज कितना था? बस ये 3 चीज़ें.
Highest, I think 50 lakh भी गया है.
ओके,
And lowest 5 lakh.
ओके. मीडियम एवरेज पैकेज
Medium
कितना था?
7 lakh.
अच्छा, cool. Now let's go forward, see the other labs as well, meet other faculties as well. Now let's get into the biotechnology lab and meet students, meet faculty members as well. I can see a couple of faculty sitting over here. Can you quickly introduce yourselves? What is your
My
name?
name is Dr. Rakhi Srivastava.
Okay, ma'am, what is your name?
Roshni Master.
What about
I'm
you?
Dr. Archana Gupta from Biotechnology Department.
Perfect. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है मैम? What are these students learning?
These are MSc students. They perform various type of practicals in this lab. This is biotechnology lab.
Oh, yeah.
It consists various type of instrument like PCR machine is there, laminars, biosafety they are working. Microscope is there, so
Right.
they are working here, and they have various practical in their courses.
But I have some fundamental questions over here. Let's say if I am a student, मेरे को biotech में admission लेना है. How can I apply? What is the admission process? आप कुछ बता सकते हो? If you can tell.
They can actually fill the form and
Okay.
go for admission test and get the scholarship for that.
So what is the tuition cost now?
I think for
MSc is 60,000 per year.
Okay.
And if the students get trained, like it's a 2-year course, if the student gets trained nicely along with a dissertation of 6 months, then they get a pretty much good research experience. And we also plan to send our students abroad.
So I think I'm done with my questions. Thank you so much. I hope students को ये सारी information बहुत ही valuable लगे. And yes, thank you so much. अच्छा, तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं लॉ डिपार्टमेंट में एंड बिकॉज द कैंपस इज़ ह्यूज, ऑलमोस्ट 50 एकड़ का कैंपस है, तो ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू ट्रैवल इन अ स्मॉल कार्ट ओवर हियर एंड वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स एज वेल. तो ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू द लॉ डिपार्टमेंट नाउ. ओके, सो अभी खड़े हैं हम लॉ बिल्डिंग के सामने. बिफोर आई गेट इनसाइड, I want you guys to meet a very special guest. This is Mr. Vikas. He is helping me throughout this whole campus tour. Hi Mr. Vikas. थोड़ा सा अपना intro दीजिए.
Yeah, so I am Vikas Bajaj. I am the coordinator at SRM University, and I've known Swapnil from last 1 year. Have the privilege to welcome you again at our beautiful campus. I hope you're liking it.
Yes, 50 एकड़ का campus है आपका, खूब बड़ा campus है, घूमना पड़ रहा है हमें गाड़ियों से. But I'm loving it, and I'm keen to see what law building has.
This is our engineering block majorly, and then we have come up with a new building, right? There we also run our law programs and other programs. Okay, let's go inside and see.
Okay, right now I'm standing in the middle of the law department and the science center as well. Right, let's go ahead and see the law department. I think there are a couple of students waiting for us as well. Hey guys, hi. What's your name?
Myself, Shweta, and I'm currently pursuing DLLB honors.
Okay. Hi, Arpit.
LLB.
Okay, perfect. What's up? मेरे को अपना department दिखाओ. Tell me what is the law department is about.
We have a law department starting from the extension of the 4th floor. We have a new building made, so the extension has been given to the law department, and we also have this extension in the 5th floor. We have facilities like different centers, for example, Center for Law and Technology, Center for Criminal, B.R. Ambedkar Chair, and we also have our moot court.
Okay.
In moot court, we have dummy cases, which is been given to us.
Sounds pretty exciting.
Yeah, it is.
The department, the resources that they are offering you. I would love to know more about your subjects, more about your placements as well. And even खर्चा कितना होता है. लॉ पढ़ना है अगर SRM में तो खर्चा कितना होगा. अभी now while we are walking moot court में ही मुझे कुछ बताओ, what is the average tuition fee वगैरह. Yes, let's go.
Tuition fee for law is 1,50,000.
All in all मेरी पूरी लॉ की बैचलर्स डिग्री कितने में हो जाएगी SRM सोनीपत से अगर मैं करूँगा तो?
पूरी फीस अगर देखें तो इफ यू आर इन हॉस्टल तो आपका पर ईयर आपका अराउंड 3.5.
अच्छा, हॉस्टल का मिला के.
And I would also like to quote a few benefits as I am studying here.
Yes.
So I know they also provide us with chancellor's scholarship that depends upon your merit on 12th standard. And
यार
also-
एडमिशन लेना है तो एडमिशन कैसे लिया जाए? What is the exam that you have to give?
There is a form called SRMH GAT, and you have to first give the registration fees. I guess
it's currently it's 1100.
अच्छा, 1100 रुपये. Okay.
1100 रुपये. And then you have to appear. It's an online exam.
अच्छा.
Okay.
With monitoring and recognition.
Okay. Now for law students, 4 साल की लॉ की डिग्री कर ली आपने, उसके बाद क्या करने वाले हो? यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट ऑप्शंस हैं कि नहीं है?
Placement drives are being taken into consideration very recently.
Okay.
So and even now they're starting from the first year students only.
Great. I think you guys have given the best information so far, given us good details, good insights, and I would love to move forward with the campus tour ahead. So yes, let's go forward, and guys, have a look at the law department over here. Okay, after talking about law and what law department has been up to at SRM Sonipat, now let's proceed and see the computer labs. In order to cover the whole thing, I have 2 very interesting students to meet with. Hi man, what's up? What's your name?
My name is Lakshya and I'm a student of second year BTech.
Okay, hi Lakshya. What about
Hi,
you?
I'm Arshnav. I'm a student of BTech first year.
So this is our 5th floor.
Okay.
We have all the laboratories. जैसे हम थ्योरी जो हम क्लास में पढ़ते हैं उसका प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्मेंस जो भी हम करते हैं वो सब इन लैब्स में होता है.
Okay.
We have many labs here. सब अलग-अलग डोमेन के लिए अलग-अलग लैब अलॉटेड है.
Okay.
हर फर्स्ट ईयर से लेके 4th ईयर तक सब जितने भी बच्चे सारे इन लैब्स में आके अपना प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्मेंसेस करते हैं.
अच्छा.
Now we are taking you to the iMac lab.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
What is that?
very well furnished iMac lab. All the systems are Macs.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's up? What's your name?
My name is Shubham.
Hi Shubham, कहाँ से हो?
I'm from basically from Amritsar, Punjab.
पंजाब से यहाँ आ गए SRM सोनीपत?
हाँ.
क्यों?
बेसिकली पंजाब में है यूनिवर्सिटीज़, हमारे पास LPU भी है, CU भी है. ये दिल्ली के पास है तो यहाँ पे एक्सपोजर थोड़ा बेटर है मैं कहूँगा पंजाब से. बट ओवरऑल सब इज एवरीथिंग इज लाइक ओकेश, बट ये ज़्यादा प्रेफर करी.
ओके, लॉ, कंप्यूटर साइंसेस, ये सब कुछ कवर करने के बाद इस वक्त मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ साइकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में. एंड आई हैव अ स्टूडेंट विद मी जो मुझे अपना डिपार्टमेंट दिखाएंगे, क्लासरूम्स दिखाएंगे, एंड प्रोबेबली विल गेट टू interact with a couple more students. Please आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो, अपना प्रोग्राम बता दो.
My name is Madhuyat. I'm a second year student from Psychology Honours.
I'm so sorry ma'am, I'm disturbing your class. Hi ma'am, what's your name?
Megha Gupta.
Hi ma'am, what are you teaching to the kids right now?
Presentation and speaking skills.
Okay, are these kids any good?
They are very good.
How has your experience been? आप यहाँ पे कब से
I'm working
हो?
for last 6 months here and my experience very good here.
Okay, अभी और 6 महीने आप रहोगे?
Yeah, for not only 6 years, more than 2 to 3 years. at
Cool.
least.
Hi ma'am, what's up? What's your name?
Hi, my name is Srishti and
Okay.
I'm from B Honours Psychology second year, 4th
Okay.
semester currently.
Okay. Okay, now tell me one pro and one con of studying at SRM Sonipat.
The con would be firstly
The lady straight away went to the con. सीधे बुराइयाँ करनी है. Okay, go ahead.
if we hear the con first, then the positive thing, just boosts.
Enhances more,
enhances more. So the negative part would be the people maybe.
Mhm.
The crowd somewhat is like, we have a mixed crowd here.
Mhm,
But the positive part would be the faculty. Like I came here especially for the faculty here.
Nice talking to you guys. Okay guys, back to your work. So sorry for disturbing. Thank you. All right. पूरा एक दिन स्पेंड करा है SRM सोनीपत पे. शाम हो गई है, क्लाउडी मौसम भी हो गया है, मौसम अच्छा हो गया है, बहुत गर्मी थी. बट ऑल इन ऑल दिस कैंपस इज प्रिटी ह्यूज. 50 एकर्स का कैंपस है. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू SRM ग्रुप, देन ऑफ कोर्स you want a certain reputation, a certain value proposition that SRM group of institutes provide. However, this is the NCR campus, Sonipat Haryana campus, and we talked to a lot of students. उन्होंने काफ़ी insights दिए, काफ़ी honest insights दिए about their classes, about their faculty members, about their hostel and mess, and बाकी सारी facilities जो भी मिल रही हैं. Hope ये पूरा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो. कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताओ कि हमने क्या मिस कर दिया, क्या और देखना चाहते हो, क्या और जानना चाहते हो SRM के बारे में. एंड इफ़ यू वांट एनी डिटेल्ड इंटरव्यूज टू बी हैपनिंग विद द फैकल्टीज और विद द स्टूडेंट्स एट SRM सोनीपत, देन वो भी बताओ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में. आई विल डेफिनेटली रीच आउट टू दीज गाइज एंड आई विल कम बैक हियर अगेन. टिल देन, दिस इज मी स्वप्निल त्रिपाठी साइनिंग ऑफ. बट बिफोर आई गो, लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो, वीडियो को शेयर करो मैक्स टू मैक्स. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.